Hello! We're going to teach you step by step on how to do your ID verification on the FMCSA Portal. Step 1. Keep your smartphone ready. You will need to scan the QR code displayed on the website to start the verification process. Step 2. Have your identification documents ready. Step 3. Select your language and click on Start. The app will provide instructions which you can read or skip. Next, you must grant permission to the application to use your camera by hitting Allow. Once permission is granted, scan the front of your license with the application giving you instructions to have a clear picture. Then, it will ask you to flip your license and get a scan from the back. After scanning both sides, the application will display both pictures that were taken for your review. Please make sure that all the requirements that are listed are met. Then click on Submit Photos. Next, you will complete the facial scan. Click Continue to view instructions and begin. You must take a selfie and place your face on the oval shape shown on the application. It will automatically capture once your face is centered. After the verification is complete, go back to the device in which you started the application. Once back in the portal, click on the words "Click here to proceed." A message should appear next, letting you know that your identity verification has been successfully completed. You will then be instructed to click on Next on the side menu to continue. If the identity verification process shows unsuccessful, we recommend you to try the process again. Thank you for watching.